Okay, we'll start by looking at a chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average for the year. As we can see, we were in an oversold position, which is leading into the rally today based on the slow stochastic down here. And as you can see, we ended up close to where we started the year. And previously, this level had acted as support in the beginning of the year until we broke through it here in August, where it acted as resistance for a few months. And again, we're back at around the same level we started the year. The main reason for the volatility you see in this chart is, of course, the debt crisis in Europe with Greece, Italy, and so on, which no one knows how it will end, and it won't end anytime soon. Another negative macro factor are the debt problems in the U.S., with the Super Committee recently unable to come to a compromise to address the deficit problem in the U.S., which will lead to forced cuts in 2013. But despite these, because of these macro concerns, the volatility will likely continue, and of course, this has led to some stocks coming to attractive valuations currently to at least consider initiating a position. Of course, there is still the chance, with problems in Europe getting worse, that prices will become even cheaper. But considering that, an interesting company to consider currently is Nidec Corporation with ticker symbol NJ. They're a Japanese company which manufactures electric motors and related components in North America, Europe, Japan, and the rest of Asia. They were founded in 1973 and are headquartered in Kyoto, Japan. We can see that the last quote from Monday was $21.97, and this table shows their earnings per share for the last 7 years, which allows you to determine that the current attractive PE ratio, with the current PE ratio being 5.19 and the 7-year average PE ratio not being much different at 5.87. So they seem, from a PE ratio perspective, cheap at the current level. In addition, their return on invested capital numbers are also very good, with 11.6% in the most recent year, and their 5-year average return on capital 13.8%. The current dividend yield for Nidec is 1.2%. The list of the types of motors they make is too long to list in full, but they sell their products to the manufacturers of hard disk drives, electric household appliances, automation equipment, automotive components, to name just a few. And they have over 105,000 employees. So that sums it up for this edition, and remember to check the blog with the address listed here for the next post. Thanks. Bye.